EUP 102 Network Communication Test UPStart Training. If you're having problems with UPB communication in your home, you're going to want to run a network communication test so we can see what's really happening. So go to Tools, go to Network Comm Test, and this opens the Network Communications Test screen. Now you can see on the bottom, you can set how many tests you run. Every minute, or 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. You can test each device a certain number of times, waiting a certain amount of seconds between each test until this procedure has been repeated X amount of times. Now, normally for us to run a proper test, I want to run a minimum of 5 tests on each device. I'll wait a couple seconds between each test, and we want to repeat the test 5, 6, up to 10 times. And you can do more if you want. Depends on how big the system is. But we need to be able to have a baseline and see what's going to happen over a longer period of time. When you're ready to run the test, you hit the Run Communications Test. You can now put in the pin location. The noise source, if we know from what it is. And potential noise location, on-site, off-site, the pool, garage, depends on what we think it might be. We're now going to log the test. Now it automatically will give it a number, but in most cases here we're going to give it a name so we can find it later and send it into Powerline control systems so we can analyze the results. And usually if you date it, we'll know exactly when it was done. Now the system will automatically go out and run multiple tests. It'll let you know the room it's in, the ID number, the name of the device, which phase it's on, same or opposite, which test it's running 1 of 1, the signal at the PIM, the noise at the PIM, so it gives us noise levels, the average noise, signal at the device, and we can go through and there's several other measurements that we check. We're not going to go through all the measurements today because this is something that we are going to analyze at the office. We're going to have our firmware engineers analyze it and get an idea of what might really be going on. Very simple and powerful test to find out what may be going on within your system. When you have troubleshooting issues, this will give us a roadmap to know what to do to resolve it.